A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. A very good evening to others, and a very good morning to others, depending on your location. So let us talk about important matters, Team Zimbabwe. Pane nyaya dziri kunetsa on social media. Vamwe vari kuti constitution yetriple C haisi kuwanika. Vamwe vari kuti yakazobuda nekuna Shabvangu, vachamisa havana. Vamwe vari kuti Shabvangu is part of the structures to clarify in the nation of Zimbabwe. Toda kutarisa the legality of everything kuti inzi party inonzi triple C kana kuti inzi party inonzi ZANU PF kana kuti inzi party inonzi lead kana kuti inonzi ndu kana kuti inonzi zoom zvinotangira papi. Those are the issues we need to talk about. So I'm going to be quick in terms of this issue because I don't have time. So number one, when you want to form a political party, you write a letter and submit it ku ZEC, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Wotaura kuti inini ndine party yangu inonzi chimuti, handi muri kuzviona. Inini ndini wekwamakusha. Ndoda kuita party yangu. Ndagumbuka kuti aiwa vachamisa vasi kuita action, ndobva ndati regai ndimboitawo changu chipati. Ndoenda ndonoti right, inini ndine changu chipati chinonzi chimuti chamakusha. Handitika chakura musoro, triple C, handiti ndozvandienda funga ipapo. Saka ndosvika ikoko ndoti tsamba yangu iyi, this is my party. Right. If I just do that to Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, what happens is kune mufesa anonzi Silaigwana. Anobva anyora pane katsamba kari pa screen pangu apa side ari ku right kwangu. Pane katsamba ikakako on my left, not on my right. Kana tiri pa screen is on my left. Katsamba ikakako ndo kanobva kanyorwa nemufesa anonzi Silaigwana. Silaigwana is the CEO of Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. He is the Chief Elections Officer of Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Katsamba ikakako kandinonyorerwa kanenge kari ke correspondence. So I want to take a look on this letter yakanyorerwa triple C by Silaigwana, and it is going to answer a lot of things right now. This was written on 24 January 2022. This is when Triple C formed their own political organization. I think they formed it on the 23rd and on the 24th, a correspondence was written. It was attended, it was given to the attention of President Nelson Chamisa, and it was about the candidates for Citizens Coalition for Change. And they said, we acknowledge the receipt of your letter dated 24th of January 2022 regarding the above subject matter. In order to update our database, please could you kindly confirm whether the Citizens Coalition for Change is a new political organization? If so, kindly furnish us with the following details. So this is very important. To those who are saying it's an MDC, yakangozoita triple C, they are misleading viewers. They are misleading the people. They are misleading the nation. The truth is that ipapapa ndo pane nyaya yesapa. So it was confirmed indeed kuti aiwaka triple C ipati nyowani. Anditi why tichidaro pane zvinhu zvakanzi tiprovide to kana iri pati nyowani. Ndezvipi? Logo of the organization. So remember, President Nelson Chamisa was known kuti anga ari leader with MDCT previously. Then he comes in kuzeki obvati tine zvatinoda kuita. Zvanzi aiwaka kana mune party nyowani tokumbiro logo renyu. Ndobva vaendesa logo rine face yavachamisa. That logo was part of the team yaka contester during that by-election and in the just ended elections as Triple C's logo. Then the physical address of the organization for service of documents and inclusion in the commission's activities. Which means when Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, which deals ne issues zemapato, ne issues zema-elections, ndo vari pamutemo kudhila nenyaya idzodzo. So they were given the physical address of the organization by President Nelson Chamisa. That is where you see Triple C being invited kuma meetings, being invited to everything. Chinenge chitika zeki nyora Triple C inotonyorera vachitoendesa to that address. Mind you, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, they do write to the parties. Vachitovapa correspondence zvinenge zvichiitika, even kungava nema meetings, kungava nechese chinenge chida kuitwa, the right to the political parties. And number 3, the contact persons if available. So Triple C did so, and they wrote that letter ndakatomboiona it circulated ine vanhu vanonzi ava ndo vanhu vanoconductwa by Zimbabwe Electoral Commission when they have anything to do with CCC. And lastly, the organization constitution. So CCC, and muri kuona kuti apo pakanzi if available panumber 3 apo zvichireva kuti apo it's a choice yekuti president Nelson Chamisa ndo vanozikanwa, but vanogona kuchuza kungoisa vanhu ipapo. Then more importantly, the organization constitution. So the constitution of CCC does not need to be submitted to the Speaker of Parliament to say, this is our constitution. No, it is with the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. So this letter, it justifies President Nelson Chamisa as the person holding the communique with the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, and it recognizes him as the president of CCC. Right, let us go to the issues of Shavangu, the legal part of it and everything else. Shavangu, if he wanted to recall MPs from CCC, what he was supposed to do, he was supposed to go to court and say, Mr. Judge or Mrs. Judge, I am here to put CCC before your court in terms of A, B, C, D. These are the disgruntlements we have. We are disgruntled because of ABCD. So the court was supposed to determine anything Shavangu is thinking about. Right away, the court was supposed to simply say, okay, Mr. Chamisa, come here. Shavangu is claiming to be a part, and this is the constitution. He is not accepting provision A, B, C, D from the constitution, which you have mutilated. And Mr. Chamisa was supposed to be put to his own defense together with the party CCC. So after that, what was going to happen is that the court was going to determine if they recognize Shavangu or if they don't recognize him, number one. Number two, the court was going to make a determination or a decision. Can Shavangu make recalls, or who is now in charge of the leadership of CCC, going to be resolved. Yake ndo pane nyaya yese, chero mukaudzwa zvipi nahopo ching'ono nanani, they are not telling you the truth. This is the truth, Team Zimbabwe. I will never lie to you. Right? What will happen right now is that if the courts are sincere, they are going to reverse the recalls of CCC members ASAP. Vanofana to reverse with costs. Secondly, the police Zimbabwe must arrest Shavangu and charge him immediately with criminal ameno chakadaro. If they fail, then they've set a bad precedent. So Team Zimbabwe, kana mukaona makoti akanzi adismissa application yakaitwa neteam reCCC, Zimbabwe haisina chinhu chinonzi constitutionalism. Zvakutoreva kuti constitution yenyika haichashande, mutemo wenyika unenge usingachashande wasuspendwa. That is the honest truth. So I don't know what you are going to do with this information, but ndangotika tikunyeurei zvinhu zviri kuitika. So zvese zvamuri kudzwa yeCCC haina mastructures, CCC this, CCC that. Ameno Team Zimbabwe, kana muri vanhu chaivo, share this video to as many people as possible so that vana veZimbabwe vazive zvinhu zviri kuitika. Guys, kuseri court case iyi, ma-MP eCCC akanzi varambirwa. Hede nangu handizivi kuti Zimbabwe ichange ichiri neconstitution here, uye constitution iyoyo vanenge vachiti chii. That is the honest truth. So if there is anything else, Shavangu was supposed to go to court first, then do anything else. Tikada kuenda precedents, that is what happened in 2018.